Draggable slides allow students the ability to drag an object to answer a question or identify a point on the slide. You can customize what they're dragging from a list of icons, colors, and sizes. Since it's a Google slide, you can have students drag the icons onto anything you like. Pear offers some great templates, but here are some basic improvised draggable slides. This is a pro feature that you can only use if your school or district has a paid account. This is a pro feature. To create a new draggable slide, click the plus icon and select the slide format that works best for the type of question you're asking. A common and useful example is having students drag their icon to a specific location on a map or image. You can decide and design what the slide will look like and make it fit the type of question you'd like to ask. Design the slide with more student options in mind, such as more intricate diagrams or even a bigger, more visual map. The formatting of the draggable space is all up to you, but to make the slide a draggable slide, click on the draggable icon and it'll open the customization menu. You can choose an icon or shape to fit the theme or purpose of the slide. The color of the object is customizable to fit the contrast of the slide or even the theming of your school. You can even see the student perspective before publishing when scaling the size of the icon. Make the icon scale fit the scale of your slide's answering area. Make it easy for students to clearly mark where their answers are. You can always edit your slide later to help with the spacing. When you've made all of your edits to the icon, click on the Update Slide button. Once you've saved your updates, Pear may need a moment to process. Be patient. If you need to identify more than one item, you can have the students drag multiple icons. Create a slide that gives them plenty of options and plenty of room to drag. Click on the Draggable button to activate Pear on the slide. You can edit the icon to meet your color and size needs. Click on Add Another to add another icon, which you can edit as well. Click Update the Slide when you're all done and it'll save the slide for you. Since you can still edit the slide after you've added the Pear feature, you can even go back and color code the instructions to match the draggable icons. This will make instructions clear to students and make it easier for you to interpret the answer. These draggable icons can be shown for individual student answers or overlaid to show trends in data.